Welcome to 8th class, exercise 2.3. Solve the following equations. తెలుగు మీడియం ఎక్సైజ్ 2.3 అభ్యాసం 2.3 క్రింది సమీకరణాలను సాధించండి. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x. Okay. So we have to write the x terms in one side and the constants in one side. So we have to bring this plus 2x to left hand side. That is 7x minus 2x is equal to plus 5. Okay. So this implies 7x minus 2x is equal to 5x. So 5x is equal to 5. So this implies x is equal to 5 by 5. So this is equal to 1. Okay. Second problem. Second one. 5x minus 12. 5x minus 12 is equal to 2x minus 6. So this implies write the x terms in one side. So we get 5x minus 2x is equal to minus 6 plus 12. So this implies 5x minus 2x, that is 3x, is equal to minus 6 plus 12 is plus 6. So this implies x is equal to 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. Okay. Third problem. 7p minus 3 is equal to 3p plus 8. Write the p terms in one side. This implies 7p minus 3p is equal to 8 plus 3. So this implies 7p minus 3p is 4p. So 4p is equal to 8 plus 3 is 11. This implies p is equal to 11 by 4. Okay. Next, fourth one. 8m plus 9 is equal to 7m plus 8. So this implies write the m terms in one side. We get 8m minus 7m is equal to 8 minus 9. Okay. 8 minus 9. This implies 8m minus 7m, that is m is equal to minus 1. Next, fifth one. 7z plus 13 is equal to 2z plus 4. So this implies write that z terms in one side. 7z minus 2z is equal to 4 minus 13. So this implies 7z minus 2z is 5z. So 5z is equal to 4 minus 13, that is minus 9. So this implies z is equal to minus 9 by 5. Okay. Sixth one. 9y plus 5 is equal to 15y minus 1. So write the y terms in one side. 9y minus 15y is equal to minus 1 plus minus 5. So this implies 9y minus 15y is minus 6y is equal to minus 6. So this implies y is equal to minus 6 by minus 6. So this is equal to 1. Okay. 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 times x minus 2. Okay. This implies 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 into x, 5x, plus into minus, minus, 5 2s are 10. So this implies, writing the x terms on same side, we get 3x minus 5x is equal to minus 10 minus 4. So this implies 3x minus 5x, that is minus 2x. So minus 2x is equal to minus 14. So this implies x is equal to minus 14 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. So this is equal to 14 by 2 is 7. So x is equal to 7. Next, eighth problem. 3 times t minus 3 is equal to 5 times 2t minus 1. Okay. So this implies 3 into t, 3t, 3 3s are 9 minus 9 is equal to 5 2s are 10t minus 5. So this implies, writing the t terms on same side, 3t minus 10t is equal to minus 5 plus 9. This implies 3t minus 10t is minus 7t. So minus 7t is equal to 9 minus 5, that is 4. So this implies t is equal to minus 4 by 7. Okay, once again, 3 into t, 3t, 3 3s are 9 is equal to 5 2s are 10t minus 5. So I bring t terms in one side. 3t minus 10t is equal to minus 5 plus 9. So 3t minus 10t is minus 7t is equal to minus 5 plus 9 is 4. So minus 7 multiples here. If you bring to right hand side, divides. So t is equal to minus 4 by 7. Okay. Next, ninth problem. Ninth one. 5 into p minus 3 is equal to 3 into p minus 2. Okay. So this implies, if you multiply it by 5, 5p minus 5 3s are 15 is equal to 3p minus 6. If you bring the p terms on one side, 5p minus 3p is equal to minus 6 plus 15. This implies 5p minus 3p is equal to 2p. So 2p is equal to 9. Okay, minus 6 plus 5 is 9. This implies p is equal to 9 by 2. Okay. So next, 10th one. 5 into z plus 3 is equal to 4 times 2z plus 1. So this implies 5 into z, that is 5z, 5 3s are 15, is equal to 4 2s are 8, 8z plus 4 1s are 4. So this implies if you bring the z terms in the one side, 5z minus 8z is equal to 4 minus 15. So this implies 5z minus 8z, that is minus 3z, is equal to minus 11. Okay, this implies minus minus cancels and z is equal to 11 by 3. Z is equal to 11 by 3. Next, 11th problem, 11th one, 15 into x plus 1 plus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 2 into 7 plus x. Okay, so this implies 15 into x, 15x plus 15 plus 15 plus 4 into x, 4x, 4 3s are 12 is equal to 7 2s are 14 plus 2x. So this implies 15x plus 4x, that is 19x, 19x plus 15 plus 12, that is 27, is equal to 14 plus 2x. So this implies 19x minus 2x is equal to 14 minus 27. So this implies 19 minus 2x is 17x. 17x is equal to minus 13. Okay. This implies x is equal to minus 13 by 17. So this is the final answer. Next, 12th one, 12th problem. 3 times 5z minus 7 plus 2 times 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 times 8z minus 7 minus 111. Okay, 3 times 5z minus 7 plus 2 times 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 times 8z minus 7 minus 11. So this is the problem. So 3 5s are, this implies 3 5s are 15z, 7 3s are 21 minus 21 plus 9 2s are 18z minus 11 2s are 22 is equal to 4 8s are 32 z minus 7 4s are 28 minus 11 111. So this implies 15z plus 18z, that is 33z minus 21 minus 22, that is minus 43 is equal to 32z minus 28 minus 111, that is minus 139. Okay, If you write the z terms in one side, 33z minus 32z is equal to minus 139 plus 43. So this implies 33z minus 32z, that is z, is equal to minus 139 plus 43. So if you subtract 6 and 9, so this is minus 96. This is minus 96. So z is equal to minus 96. So 13th problem. 13th, 8 times x minus 3 minus 6 minus 2x is equal to 2 times x plus 2 minus 5 times 5 minus x. Okay, so this implies 8 into x, 8x, 8 3s are 24, minus 6 and minus into minus plus 2x is equal to 2x plus 2 2s are 4 minus 25 minus into minus plus 5x. Okay, so this implies 8x plus 2x is 10x, minus 24 minus 6 minus 30 is equal to 2x plus 5x is 7x, minus 25 plus 4, that is minus 21. This implies 10x minus 7x is equal to minus 21 plus 30. So this implies 10x minus 7x is equal to 3x. So 3x is equal to minus 21 plus 30, that is 9. This implies x is equal to 9 by 3. So this is equal to 3. Okay. So 8 times x minus 3 minus 6 minus 2x is equal to 2 times x plus 2 minus 5 times 5 minus x. So 8 into x, 8x, plus into minus minus, 8 3s are 24, minus into plus minus 6, minus into minus plus 2x is equal to 2 into x, 2x, 2 2s are 4, minus into plus minus 5 5s are 25, minus into minus plus 5x. So 8x plus 2x is 10x, minus 24 minus 6 is minus 30. So this is equal to 2x plus 5x is 7x, minus 25 plus 4 is minus 21. Okay, taking all the x terms in one side, 10x minus 7x is equal to minus 21 plus 30. So 10x minus 7x is equal to 3x. So 3x is equal to 30 minus 21, that is 9. So x is equal to 9 by 3, that is equal to 3. So next problem, 14th one. 3 times n minus 4 plus 2 times 4n minus 5 is equal to 5 times n plus 2 plus 16. Okay, so this implies 3 into n, 3n, plus into minus minus, 3 4s are 12, plus 2 4s are 8 n, plus into minus minus, 5 2s are 10 is equal to 5 into n, 5n, 5 2s are 10 plus 16. So this implies 3n plus 8n, that is 11n, minus 12 minus 10, that is minus 22, is equal to 5n. 10 plus 16, that is 26. So this implies 11n minus 5n is equal to 26 plus 22. So 11n minus 5n, that is equal to 6n. 6n is equal to 48. So this implies n is equal to 48 by 6. So that is equal to 8. 8 times cancels. So 3 times n minus 4 plus 2 times 4n minus 5 is equal to 5 times n plus 2 plus 16. So 3 into n, 3n, plus into minus minus, 3 4s are 12, 2 into 4n, that is 8n, plus into minus minus, 5 2s are 10 is equal to 5 into n, 5n, 5 2s are 10 plus 16. Okay. 3n plus 8n, that is 11n, minus 12 minus 10, that is minus 22 is equal to 5n, 10 plus 16, that is 26. So 11n minus 5n is equal to 26 plus 22. 11n minus 5n is equal to 6n. 26 plus 22, that is 48. Therefore n is equal to 48 by 6, that is equal to 8. Okay.